Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon. Today we will learn and discuss about subtraction of like fractions, how to subtract like fractions. And if you have not watched my videos that subtract addition of like fractions, addition of unlike fraction, addition of mixed fractions, and how to convert the mixed fraction into unlike fraction, mixed fraction into improper fraction, and how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, and please watch that videos. And today we'll discuss about how to subtract like fractions. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog masquerade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other states board. Let's get started and solve some questions. Now we discuss about subtraction of mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? The combination of whole number and the proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. Then how to subtract mixed fraction? In previous class, we have discussed about how to add the mixed fraction. If you have not watched that videos, then please watch that videos how to add the mixed fraction. Just same, we have to just subtract the mixed fraction. First find out the subtraction of separate the subtraction of the whole number separately, write down the subtraction of whole number separately, then subtract the mixed fraction, subtract the proper fraction. If the fractions are not in the same denominator, then we have to convert that fraction into equivalent fraction, just multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number. Then after getting the equivalent fraction that is equal to the like fraction that is having the same denominators, then subtract the numerators and write down the denominators as it is. Then we get the subtraction of like fraction, then that fraction is the result of that subtraction of unlike fraction or the subtraction of the mixed fraction. This is first method, and we can solve this second method also. That is, first we have to convert this mixed fraction into unlike fraction. Converting the mixed fraction into unlike fraction, first find out the multiply the denominator with the whole, then add the result with the numerators, then divided by the denominator. After converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction, if you have not watched that videos how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, please watch that videos. In the previous class, we have discussed about how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. Then after converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction, we have to first find out the LCM. Then after finding the LCM, we have to convert that unlike fractions, that is improper fraction, that is equal to the denominator equal to the LCM, just multiplying the same number with both the numerator and denominators. Then that fraction we get is the equivalent fraction, that is the like fractions having the same denominators. After getting the like fractions, we have to subtract the numerators. After subtracting the numerator, just write down the denominators, and that is the result of that like fraction, and which is the result of that unlike fraction. This is also second method how to subtract the mixed fraction. Now let's take an example, subtraction of mixed fraction. How to subtract 2 divided by 3 from 5 6 divided by 7. Both are mixed fraction because these fractions are the combination of whole number and the proper fraction. In this first fraction, mixed fraction, 2 divided by 3. Here the whole number is 2 and the proper fraction is 2 divided by 3. And in the second mixed fraction, whole number is 5 and the proper fraction is 6 divided by 7. Now we have to subtract 2 divided by 3 from 5 6 divided by 7. That is 5 6 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 3. Now separately we have to subtract the whole number and the proper fraction. 5 is the proper 5 is the whole number in the first mixed fraction and 2 is the whole number in the second mixed fraction. So we have to write down the subtraction of whole number 5 minus 2. Then plus, this is 5 plus 6 by 7, that is plus, then 6 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 3. Now 5 minus 2 is 3 and 6 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 3. Now these both are unlike fraction because both have unequal, that is different denominators. Now we have to convert this fraction, unlike fraction, into equivalent fraction, that is first find out the LCM, then convert that equivalent, convert it into equivalent fraction, just multiplying the same number with both the numerator and denominator, that is equal to the LCM. Then after getting that like fraction, write down the subtract the numerators only. First find out the LCM of 7 and 3. Now LCM of 7 and 3 is, both are prime number. LCM of 7 and 3 both are prime numbers. When you find out the LCM of prime number, just multiply the numbers only. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21 and LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. Now we have to convert this 6 divided by 7 into equivalent fraction, that is equal the denominator equal to the LCM, that is equal to the 21. Now we have to find out the number. Which number you multiply the number 7, you get 21. In the table 7, we know multiplying the number 3 with 7, we get 21. Now we have to multiply the same number 3 with the numerators also. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 divided by 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Now 18 divided by 21 is the equivalent fraction of 6 divided by 7. Now we have to convert this second fraction 2 divided by 3 into equivalent fraction. In the first we have to find out the number. Which number you multiply the number 3, you get 21, which is equal to the LCM. In the table 3, we multiply the number 7 with number 3, we get 21, which is equal to the LCM. Now we have to multiply the same number 7 with the numerator. So multiplying the numerator 2 multiplied by 7 is 14 and multiply the denominator 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. And 14 divided by 21 is the equivalent fraction of 2 divided by 2 divided by 3. Now we get 18 divided by 21 and 14 divided by 21. Both are like fractions having the denominators equal, that is equal to 21. Now we have to subtract 6 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 3. And 6 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 3 is 18 divided by 21 minus 14 divided by 21. That is equal to 18 minus 14 is just subtract the numerators. 18 minus 14 is 4. 4 divided by 21. And this is the subtraction of this fraction 6 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 3. Now we have to add this whole number. Now 3 plus 6 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 3, which is equal to 3 plus 4 divided by this 21. Now we get 3, 4 divided by 21, and this is the result of the subtraction of this mixed fraction. 5 6 divided by 7 minus 2 2 divided by 3. 5 6 divided by 7 minus 2 2 divided by 3 is equal to 3 4 divided by 21. Both these fractions are mixed fraction in mixed fraction. So when we subtract the mixed fraction, just write down the subtraction of whole number separately and subtract the proper fraction. Then we have to convert that fraction into equivalent fraction, multiplying the same number with the both numerator and denominator. Then after getting the equivalent fraction, that is equal to the like fraction, just subtract the numerators only. and that fraction is the subtraction of the unlike fraction, and then after we have to add with the whole number. And then after getting the fraction, that fraction is the result of that subtraction of mixed fraction. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.